Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a date slider in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a date slider to Tableau dashboard allows you to interactively filter and explore data over a range of dates. Now in this case, I'm going to work on a new dashboard or a new sheet. Now, the first thing is I want you to go to the search tab and I'm going to select the maybe date for now. And I'm gonna now maybe go for the sales first. Go through the row. And after that, maybe go to the date. Probably like an order date. But put it in the column. You see, I can choose year or month, but I'm just going to the year for now. I'm not gonna choose anything like quarter, month, day, or more. All right. After that, now you can choose to change this from columns maybe go for the line or area, square. I don't know, maybe go for the bar for now. And then now after doing all of this, if you wanted to see the date slider, all I'm gonna do is go to the order date or ship date. I'm gonna drag this to the filters. All right, and you can choose the range of dates from years, quarters, month, days. Maybe I'm just going to click the individual dates for now. Click on next and click on apply. Click on OK, and from here just select the drop down menu and click on the show filter. Now if it doesn't work, just go to the order date. Again, go to the edit filter. Maybe let's choose the let's cancel this for now. Maybe a month. It's a lot easier. Okay, there you go. And then go to the and show the okay. So after that, all I'm gonna do is go to the drop down menu and go to the show filter. All right. Now you can also add another ship date here. Just click on the range of dates. So you have two more filters if you wanted. On the ship of date, just show filters. So you have two sliders, date sliders that you can choose from. All right. It's a very straightforward process that I believe is very important because the slider acts as a drill down to specific time frames to get detailed insights, right? For example, you hover to this and to this. You see, sliders provides a user-friendly way to filter data without having to manually enter date range or repeatedly adjust filters. And of course, you can put as much as dates and sliders as you can because it can also add visual element to the dashboard, making it more engaging and interactive for the users. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.